How to fix voicemail not working on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search voicemail from here. For example, this is voicemail, so click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache voicemail, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on again settings app, scroll down to and click on general management, click on reset and reset network settings, enter phone pin, click on continue, again tap on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.